Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily put batteries inside your CHiQ TV remote. So as you guys can see, I have two batteries right here. Now let's flip the remote, and here you will have the cover. I already took it off just to show you guys how to easily put the batteries inside. So here, as you guys can see, we have the minus and a plus. So now we need to put it like that, and here we also have the minus and a plus. So all we do is we place it like that, and now the remote is working. So that be it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a comment, subscribe and like. Bye.